A lot of people disagreed with this lady with the way she fixed this net. All she was trying to do was fix her customer's net, and people disagreed with her. So how did she fix it? She used a regular needle and thread, right? But they were like, she should have used a fixing thread. That means there is a particular thread you use in fixing your torn lace wig. What's the conclusion of this story, of this video, is that you should not throw your net away or your hair away simply because the net is damaged. You should fix it, okay? And for you to be able to fix it, you need to get the thread that is being used to fix this, not the regular sewing thread, because she used the regular sewing thread. Even though it will still come out well, but the invisible sewing thread should be what to use. So if you have your wig, your curly wig, and you've been trying to curl your wig yourself and it's looking like you are putting yourself or punishing yourself, let me put it that way, then this academy is here to help us. And I just want you to watch as she teaches one of our students so that you can pick up how to curl your curly hair perfectly with This one here is another hack. If you're sweaty, this hack is for you and you do not want to remove your wig right there and now. If you're sweaty, you do not want to remove your wig immediately you discover that the sweat is already damaging or lifting your hair, this one is for you. So you can actually do it this way by using that sellotape to remove the gum that the sweat has already pushed out. Then you repair with this method. You can check the products. I'm going to, like always, you're going to see the handle of this lady. I think she sells the product, so you can get it from her if you're in a location. I'm not paid for this. I'm just trying to, make us know that there are some things that are actually possible. When we sweat and the air gets up, we tend to leave it like that and carry it for as long as possible. It looks tacky, it makes us look funny, But this way, you should be able to repair your hair and lay it out back, because most times when you raise it up like that and you put the regular gel, it doesn't stay perfectly. But with this way, this method, it should stay perfectly.